us.
Providence Bay Beach is located on the beautiful Manitoulin Island in Ontario. Often called the best beach in Ontario, Providence Bay is truly a special place. One of the first things you'll notice here is the long, sandy shore. The beach stretches on and on, with its crescent moon shape giving it a unique and inviting look. Whether you're here to sunbathe, enjoy a picnic, or take a leisurely walk along the shoreline, there's plenty of space for everyone. For over 137 years, the community has hosted a famous agricultural fair, showcasing prized livestock and crafts. This long-standing tradition is a testament to the vibrant community that calls Providence Bay home. In recent years, Providence Bay has become a hub of creativity. Artists, artisans, and entrepreneurs have come together to celebrate the area's natural beauty.
Thank you very much.
From music programs on the boardwalk to bustling local markets, there's always something happening here.